A very good evening, Zimbabwe and the world, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. And this evening, we are looking at a report from Malawi. A court from the Republic of Malawi has ruled that the Bushiri family, the prophet and the prophetess, they must be extradited back to South Africa to face a judgment. According to ZimLive, they say a court in Malawi has ruled that Shepherd Bushiri and his wife Mary should be extradited to South Africa, where they are wanted on fraud and money laundering charges. This is the whole thing. This is the whole situation, and this is what is happening at this point in time. There is no escape route for the Bushiris unless a higher court declares otherwise. They only have one advantage. The court which orders or which gave this order for them to be extradited back to South Africa is a magistrate's court, which means that they have an option to go to the higher court, which is the High Court of Malawi, to appeal that decision. And if the appeal is upheld, then they will be served. But if the appeal is not upheld, then, or if it is dismissed, what it means is that we have to be extradited back to South Africa. It might not happen in the presence of the current administration of Lazarus Chakwera, but it might happen in the future if leadership change happens in that country, Malawi. So this is what is happening after a very, very long struggle. There is relief for the South African justice system after they won this matter or this case in the courts of law. This is something which is very, very important. We've seen a lot of people saying this is the beginning of the fall of the Bushiris. If they are extradited back to South Africa, tried and jailed, what it means is that will be the collapse of the church. Every church member, where are they going to be going? That will be the collapse of everything. Unless they have maybe a son or somebody vakadzidzisa skiri kuti zvinosara zvichienda kumberi. And if that happens, and if they are convicted, what will be the fate of the gospel which they have been preaching? What are they going to say, especially the people who have been following them, the people who never believed anything else except the Bushiris? What are they going to say? So this is a new development, something very, very important. Given says the judiciary of Malawi never disappoint. Tapera says PR stands by Malawian court. Bushiri is too powerful in Malawi to be extradited to South Africa. They just wanted to be seen as they are doing something, but the same court will grant him appeal. So we wait to see if the higher court is going to deal with this matter differently. Remember, if you look at it, there is no political willingness to extradite Bushiri back to South Africa. There are rumors or reports that at a certain point in time, they went back to to South Africa. Those are rumors. I'm not so sure if that is true, but some people say at a certain point in time, they went back to South Africa and then they came back to Malawi. And if you look at how they left South Africa, it's questionable. We are told that they left with the presidential delegation of the Republic of Malawi, which means Bushiri himself is almost untouchable. So we are looking at something which was posted right here, which is a screenshot, I think, of what Bushiri said. Unfortunately, my network is quite slow, so it can't be seen right now. Let me try once again to bring it so that we understand the meaning of it. Let me try to bring it. So this is a screenshot, I think, from Facebook, where they say that I stand before you today with a heart full of gratitude and praise to our Almighty God. We have just received a remarkable victory in our court case, and I want to share this testimony with you. So this is some of the things which the Bushiris are believed to have said regarding this whole issue. Which court case are they talking about? So this is very, very important. Major, as now Zvakanaka, things are not well for the majors. If you come back to Zimbabwe, Hubert Angel, if there is a change of government in Zimbabwe, Hubert Angel will be wanted to face the issues of gold mafia, which means these leaders, they are always having scandals wherever they are always having these scandals. So this is it. This is what we have for you, and your views, your thoughts regarding this report. Will the government of Malawi extradite Bushiri and his wife back to South Africa? In my own view, I do not see the government of Malawi, the current government, allowing that. Even if there is a court order, I do not see the current government of Malawi allowing that to happen. This is what we have. Thank you very much, my brother Mire, for coming, and let us meet in other episodes as well as other broadcasts.